We then grouped the substances into 3 groups. Group A had sodium chloride, potassium iodide, and sucrose. They were all crystalline, salt or salt-like, non-conductive as a solid, and soluble in water. We determined that Group A has ionic compounds or polyatomic ions because they are conductive as a liquid but not as a solid. Group B was zinc. It was metal, conductive as a solid, and non-soluble in water. We determined that Group B would be metallic substances because the element is conductive as a solid and non-soluble. Group C had paraffin wax. It had small ball-like structures, it was non-conductive as a solid, and non-soluble in water. We determined that this was a covalent compound because the element is non-conductive as a solid or a liquid and is non-soluble in water. If an unknown substance has a metal and a non-metal in its formula, has a high melting point, and does not conduct electricity in a solid state, it should dissolve in water. This is because these are all characteristics of an ionic compound, and ionic compounds are soluble in water. These compounds have different properties. Ionic compounds have high melting and boiling points. They are non-conductors in solid form but are conductive in liquids. They are hard and most soluble in water. Covalent molecular compounds have low melting and boiling points. They do not conduct well. They are soft and they are most soluble in water if they are polar. Metallic substances have moderate to high melting and boiling points, conducts only in the solid phase, not as hard as ionic compounds, and are insoluble.